So, my dear ones, as you know very well, and I think by now you all have been in the habit of Saturday's classes. So, you know what happens on Saturdays in our classes. So, please switch on your cameras so that I can look at your faces. Hurry up. So, so you know very well what happens on Saturdays. We have only one class, and all the students are together for a speaking session. So, my dear ones, today we have a topic, and the topic is vehicles. How can you say that vehicles are useful and harmful for us? So, I think the topic is clear to you, but we have a time limit for your speaking because it is necessary so that you can express your views in a given time. Oh my God, this is a good thing, yaar, that before the completion of my speech, you always start giving your names in the message box. This is a very good thing, and I always like and appreciate this thing very much. So I am very happy when I meet you in my classes because you all are making my dreams true by speaking on given topic or by performing in the classes. So, my dear ones, it has been 2 minutes that I am speaking continuously. So, now it is your time to speak, and your time limit is 2 minutes. So, in this 2 minutes, and today's topic is common for the students of B20 as well as B23. And I hope that all will listen to carefully the others when they are speaking. So I think you are ready for it. And yes, I'm sure that you are ready for it. So let me start my clock so that I can check your time. And very good. And Yogesh is new with us and he will listen to us carefully and will try to understand what is being said. And if not, then nothing to worry, Yogesh. One day, very nearly, you would be able to speak on any topic. So don't worry. But today I have called you to have motivation, and all the students whom you are looking are the students of this class. And once they used to be the same as you are at present. ये भी कभी बिल्कुल वैसे ही थे जैसे आप हो योगेश. लेकिन आज इनका जो पोजीशन है, जो इनका रिजल्ट है, वो उसी पैटर्न पे है जो मैं तुमको सिखा रहा हूँ. So okay, thank you. And now I am calling, first of all, I am calling Harsh. Come on, Harsh. And please, yaar, switch on your cameras. Come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir.
So, Harsh,
May I start?
yes, I think I am able to see you. So, your time starts now, Harsh.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad. Today I'm going to tell you about how vehicles are, are useful and not are useful and harmful to us. Uh, so, as we already in our day-to-day life, we always use vehicles as our primary service, and we use them for mainly transport only. But some of the people use them for shops, and they are everything has both advantage and disadvantage. And the advantages of cars are that they saves our time. They take us to our destination on time. We can be punctual by it, and it creates a good impression of ours in front of others. And the disadvantage, but on the But if we check on disadvantages, there are also many disadvantages of it. Like it creates a lot of pollution which is harmful to our environment.
Hmm.
And if we continue using the vehicles in for a very long time, or for everything, if we will use vehicle, then there the amount of carbon dioxide or harmful gases that are present in our environment will increase, which will increase continuously, which will be harmful for our health, as it will create more carbon dioxide and less oxygen in the environment, which can create many res- respirating disorders, which are which can be harmful. That's it, sir.
Very
Sorry,
good.
sir. Sorry, excellent, sir. Sir, may I please?
Yes, yes, yes. Continue. You have
Uh,
30 seconds
so
more.
at last, I want to say that we should use the cars, and we should use the vehicles where it is necessary, like for going far away. But if we are going to schools or any nearby town, then we should use cycles or legs. That's it, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Sorry for the disturbance. And now we are again here with our session. And now I think I am calling the name of Gaurav Bhaiya. Gaurav, please. I have much expectation from you. So come
Yes,
on,
sir.
Gaurav. Yes. And
So
just a
hello
minute.
everyone, I'm Gaurav here.
Okay.
So hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is vehicles. That how. So let us see that how vehicles operate and how they pollute our environment. So whenever we use the vehicles, they have a thing called engine. When engine uses petrol, it emits carbon dioxide and harmful gases as the waste, and it pollutes our environment. But how do we minimize it? We can't stop it, but we can take steps to minimize it.
Shabash.
First, we should use public vehicles, and also we should always use eco-friendly vehicles like cycles, bicycles, and other options, and public vehicles,
Hmm.
because uh, one uh, one one vehicle is producing uh, equal to a four-seater car, but many people are traveling at once, so it reduces the cost. And also, as you can see, that nowadays EVs are in trend, but
Hmm.
we think that EVs are
EVs means electric
eco-friendly.
vehicles. Okay. Carry on.
EVs are very eco-friendly, but they also pollute our environment with electrical wastes and other things. And also, well, uh, everything in this world has its pros and cons. Nothing is perfect,
Hmm.
but we can minimize the cons uh, and make the pros more.
Hmm.
And we should take steps to minimize the cons, like I told you, and many more, that you can also innovate with your thinking capabilities. And also that vehicles are not just a waste. They are the light of the future. We can
Time
minimize
is
it
over.
with
अरे आप
further
कंप्लीट करो
innovations.
इसको.
That's it. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. That's
Very
it.
good.
Thank you.
Very good. Now, Anjali, come on, beta.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. Go better, sir. Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is vehicles. Vehicles are to a way to transport, but that is way that is also a way to harm our earth. When we use vehicles that give us pollution, and that is not good for earth and also us.
Hmm.
We should use bicycle, or should walk. We should not take we should not take vehicles in a small distance. We can walk and also pedal.
Hmm.
There's nothing hard in that. But sometimes people don't do it, just they wanted to go as fast as they can. They can walk fast also. They can pedal fast, but they don't want it to work hard. They just wanted to be a lazy person.
Hmm.
And we also use for eco-friendly vehicles like EV.
Hmm.
and but that is also that was also pursued a waste named electric waste, and that is harm us also harm us and earth also. We should be careful. If you wanted to go at a long distance and fast is fast, so you can use vehicles. But if you wanted to go a nearby store or nearby something,
Hmm.
you can walk and pedal. If you can't pedal, you can walk,
Hmm.
and that's the problem. People are being so lazy. Vehicles are used everywhere. The pollution is going too
Time
high.
is over. पूरा
Okay,
करो फटाफट जल्दी करो. हाँ.
too high, and we should protect us. We should not use vehicles too much.
ओके बेटा. वेरी गुड, शाबाश. और थोड़ा सा टाइम का ध्यान रखना है. मैंने क्या कहा है, स्टॉप वॉच चालू रखा करो आप. 2-4 दिन आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, 2-4 बार, तो फिर यू वुड बी इन रूटीन. ओके. यस, नाउ कम ऑन लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today, our topic is about vehicles. As you know that vehicles are essential for us in in every day, and vehicles help us in many ways. Like we can go anywhere in less time, and vehicles make transportations easy and fast.
शाबाश.
And
वेरी गुड.
we can we can travel by vehicles, and vehicles are very important in business, and in economic growth, and by vehicles we can go everywhere, and vehicles save our time, and vehicles also save our energy. Without vehicles we can't go anywhere, and nowadays vehicles are very important, and the government also in the government also is increasing electronic vehicles, by which the pollution also can low,
Hmm.
and there are many harmfuls of vehicles like that vehicles emit pollution,
वेरी
air
गुड.
pollution,
Hmm.
by which many diseases also increase,
Hmm.
and vehicles and by vehicles there are many traffics on the road,
Much traffic.
and
There is much traffic. हाँ.
yes sir, much traffic on the road, and we should use vehicles in less time, and vehicles are very important. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा. वेरी गुड. नाइस परफॉर्मेंस. कीप इट अप. वेरी गुड. नाउ वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Vaishnavi. Today, I'm telling about the vehicles. You know that vehicles are the source of transport, and we can go anywhere with the help of vehicles. And vehicles are very helpful for us. Like if you want to go uh, Chennai or New Delhi, so you can go. Uh, so you can go the with the help of aeroplane,
Hmm.
and 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 if you want to go to the your relatives house, you can go with your car. So it's a very helpful for us, and we can go in a less time.
Hmm.
And but we can see that the uh, vehicles emit the pollution so
Hmm.
much.
Emit harmful gases, and
Emit
harmful gases हाँ create pollution. ओके बेटा. यस. सुनना, रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना आ जाएगा समझ में. बोलो, आगे बोलो.
emit harmful gases so much, and it is not good for our health, and there are many disease increased like asthma problem, lungs problem,
Hmm.
and etc. And you can see there are some people who who doesn't check the car pollution, check their air car pollution. So they should be check their car air pollution in a every week, every year.
Hmm.
So it is a very it can reduce the pollution, and vehicles are very important for us, and we should use the bicycles if we want to go to the near
Hmm.
places
Hmm.
like Jawahar Circle or many parks and etc. And you know that uh, the EV means electric
टाइम
vehicles
इज
are going.
ओवर, टाइम इज ओवर बेटा, टाइम का बहुत ध्यान रखना है। पूरा कर लो फटाफट से सेंटेंस को।
So at last, I want to say that we should use the vehicles in a limit. Thank you, sir.
हाँ
That's it.
बेटा, स्टॉप वॉच को यूज करो बेटा, मोबाइल में होता है स्टॉप वॉच। नेक्स्ट सैटरडे से सभी लोग यूज करोगे इसको। ओके, यस कम ऑन आदित्य दोनावत।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and today's our topic is about the how vehicles are advantage and disadvantage in our life. So first I tell about the advantages. Vehicles are very is nice for our advantages uh, like in easy transportation, saves times, use useful for carrying some parcels and etc. So in easy transportation, if imagine you want to go New Delhi and you have a car, it's very and it saves your time and then you can go easily and uh, and uh, and uh, and in some and we when we order anything any app of then they come fast with fast express and with the help of vehicles. But in disadvantage, you can say air pollution, traffic jams, noise pollution, accidents, etc. In
शाबाश शाबाश
some
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड
in
बेटा। हाँ,
some in some vehicles there are so many dis, under, some defective things like brake fail, not steering don't stop working and air and especially air pollution. We can't imagine how many people travel from the with the help of vehicle and some people is so rich and they go their office and their work with the help of vehicle. Then all the citizens in in सर जल्दी में क्या कहेंगे
इन हरी।
in hurry and then they drive car fast and traffic jams and they face so many problems and so many people die in accidents.
टाइम इज
So
ओवर, जल्दी खत्म करो।
yes, that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट टाइम स्टॉप वॉच यूज करेंगे सारे के सारे अपने मोबाइल में या लैपटॉप में, जो भी है। ओके, और टॉपिक सबके लिए यही है आज, सारे बैचेस के लिए। सुनो ध्यान से और जैसे भी हो बोलने की कोशिश करनी है आप लोगों को सबको। यस कम ऑन खुशी।
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Gujar. I'm telling about vehicles. You know very well vehicles have advantage and also disadvantage. First of all, I am saying advantage. Vehicles save our time and make long distance travel easy.
हम्म
They provide us comfort, especially in bad weather, and
हम्म
it is very important which it is very important uh, to going one place to another place. It makes daily life easy,
वेरी गुड।
like going to office, college, school, etc. But it has a lot of disadvantage,
हम्म
like it 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 is cause uh, air pollution also and
हम्म
also noise pollution.
हम्म
and in a, and sometimes it uh, create traffic jam and waste our time,
Hmm.
and sometimes it is very important in any uh, it is an in any work, like it is give us emergency service,
Hmm.
like ambulance and fire grades, etc. So it is very important according to me, and that's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड शाबाश बहुत अच्छा टाइम कैलकुलेशन बहुत अच्छा किया बेटा वेरी गुड ऐसे किया करो सब लोग एंड नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग और बाकी के लोग भी भाई B23 वाले पॉसिबल अगर नहीं है तो इस टॉपिक पे बोलना तो फिर आप जिस मर्जी उस टॉपिक पे बोल देना आज आप B23 वाले केवल ओके इस पे बोल सको तो बहुत अच्छी बात है और नहीं तो आप फ्री हो किसी भी टॉपिक पे बोल देना आप अपना कोई भी आज ठीक है यस अरे यार 1 मिनट होल्ड करो यार एंड नाउ आई थिंक sometimes some things happen and we are not able to do anything for these things okay just a minute Simran where are you come on
So I am here, and hey everyone, I am Simran, and today I am telling about vehicles. So you know very well, everything has two part, and vehicles also, and you know vehicles uh, is very important, and it's become day by day very useful and harmful for us. But today I'm telling only advantages and disadvantages in a 2 minute, and vehicles has many
बेटा
advantages and
बेटा दूध नहीं
some
होगा उसमें
disadvantages. You know, uh,
दूध नहीं होगा बेटा दूध
nowadays
मंगवा दूध लेके आया तो
by vehicles
हाँ
we can see our life become very fast,
हाँ हाँ
instead our past,
शाबाश वेरी
and
गुड नहीं हाँ ओके
yeah,
rather than
and
our past in not instead but rather than our past
okay sir,
हाँ
and become very smooth because uh, by uh, by vehicles we can go anywhere, any weather,
हम्म
and they can protect by any weather, like rain,
from any
heavy
weather
rain,
yes
any weather,
हाँ
and by vehicles um, we can do our work fastly because we can reach there fastly,
हाँ
because if we use our own vehicle, when we can go anywhere fastly,
हाँ
so but time is limit, so vehicles has many disadvantages
हाँ
because they co- they because they be, because they has
they have
uh,
क्या हो रहा है तेरे को बेटा
sorry sir, because they have
टाइम इज ओवर
to
फटाफट से पूरा करो
okay sir,
हाँ
by it's sorry, they become cause the pollution and noise pollution, many types of pollution, and
हम्म
vehicles, but sometime they by them we can see many accidents happened, and so that's it sir.
ओके वेरी गुड थोड़ा सा टाइम का ध्यान रखना है और रीडिंग रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुननी है अपने अपने सबको यस कम ऑन पिंका
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today I want to tell about vehicle. Vehicle, you know very well. Vehicle we sorry how much vehicle are important
अरे
for us.
वाह, शाबाश. ऐसे फोकस करो बस. हाँ हाँ
They use very much for
हाँ
human beings,
हाँ
and there are many types vehicles like
हाँ.
car, aeroplane, train, uh, uh, motorcycle, scooty, etc.
हम्म,
And we can go here and there for some time,
हम्म,
and they and government should uh, government should ban some vehicles like um, old vehicles,
वेरी गुड यार, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, शाबाश.
and
हाँ.
there are many accident by it,
हम्म,
and many vehicles are coming in the world.
हम्म, हम्म,
There are many vehicles, new vehicles like electricity vehicles,
हम्म.
and
शाबाश.
electricity vehicles are very necessary
हम्म,
because they can't sorry sir.
they don't throw smoke. हम्म,
They don't throw smoke,
हम्म,
and uh, all the people should purchase
हम्म,
electricity vehicles,
हम्म,
and because uh, petrol petrol is petrol is high rate.
पेट्रोल इज कॉस्टली. हाँ.
Petrol is very costly.
टाइम इज ओवर, जल्दी पूरा करो.
That's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड. आज तो बहुत अच्छा बोला है. वेरी गुड, शाबाश. अब आने लगा नेचुरल स्पीकिंग. शाबाश, रियली. नाउ आई एम हैप्पी. वेरी गुड पिंकी.
Thank
यस, नाउ अब आ रहा है कुछ मजा थोड़ा सा. कंटिन्यू. अब आप बहुत दिनों से बस यही चीज हमेशा रखनी है आपको. मेहनत और थोड़ी सी दिन करो. अभी सिस्टम बन चुका है आपके माइंड में. रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुना करो अपनी. यस, कम ऑन आर्यन. वेयर आर यू आर्यन? यस, कम
Yes,
ऑन
sir.
आर्यन.
My name is Arima. Today's topic is vehicles. Vehicles are vehicles are very useful because it is used to go to anywhere.
हम्म. आपका कनेक्टिविटी
It is
प्रॉब्लम है.
also
हाँ,
harmful
बोलो बोलो.
for us by
हम्म,
it has also the vehicles were getting the pollution
वर्क क्यों लगा रहे
in
हो? सब प्रेजेंट में
environment.
चलेगा पूरा का पूरा.
So
वर्क की तो जरूरत ही नहीं है. सोच समझ के बोलो. प्रेजेंट में चलेगा
environment
सारा का सारा. बोलो. हम्म, सोचने
there
का
are
कैपेसिटी. हम्म,
time there are many vehicles like scooty, cars, bike, and etc.
हम्म.
We also use a cycle
हाँ.
because cycle is more efficient than the other bikes or car.
हम्म,
The cycles are do not use the oil or petrol.
हम्म.
It is also save our money.
हम्म. शाबाश शाबाश. फोकस करो बेटा. सोचने की कैपेसिटी बढ़ाओ अपनी. फोकस करोगे तो सोचने की कैपेसिटी आ जाएगी. बोलो.
Vehicles give harmful gases.
हम्म,
But the electronic vehicles are good because it is only use the electricity.
okay. 3 minutes for B23 students. Come on. 3 minutes for the students of B23 students. Come on. 1 मिनट और मिल गया तुम्हारे को. बोलो.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो. 1 मिनट और मिल गया. बोलो. बोलते जाओ. घबराओ मत.
sir, The cycle is useful.
नेटवर्क इश्यू, कनेक्टिविटी सही नहीं है तुम्हारी, इसको ठीक करो आप बेटा। कनेक्टिविटी ठीक नहीं है, इसको ठीक करो आप।
That's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है, ठीक है। कनेक्टिविटी कर ठीक करो बेटा, आपकी कनेक्टिविटी की प्रॉब्लम रहती है मोस्ट ऑफनली। यस, कम ऑन नाउ। खुशी आजा बेटा, बेटा फोकस करके अच्छे
सर मैं
से।
टाइमर लगा लूँ?
बेटा हाँ लगाना बेटा टाइमर, क्या दिक्कत है, लगाना आराम से टाइमर। बोल।
सर मैं लगा लूँ?
1 मिनट, क्या कह रहे हो आर्यन? 1 मिनट खुशी।
सर मैं कह रहा था टाइमर लगा लूँ?
हाँ टाइमर लगा ले। यस खुशी, कम ऑन।
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi and today my topic is vehicles. Since we know that vehicles are very useful for us. They help us to travel.
शाबाश।
There are many types of vehicles like auto, bus, train, aeroplane, cycle, etc. We can go travel long distance by train. We can go to market by auto.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे बोलो बस, अब आ रहा है मजा सुनने में। हाँ वेरी गुड, बोलते रहो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, बस फोकस करके रखो। हाँ
Cars help us travel with our families.
हाँ हाँ बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ
Vehicles save our time and energy.
हाँ शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, ये हुई ना बात, अब कुछ आ रहा है मजा। हाँ
Vehicles make our life easy. Vehicles are useful for everyone.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश।
We can go to different places by vehicles.
हाँ हाँ वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, शाबाश।
Vehicles can pollute the air.
हाँ
Vehicles are help us in our daily life.
वेरी गुड।
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड यार, अभी तो टाइम था तुम्हारे पास, बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने आज तो। ऐसे कोशिश किया करो बस, है ना बेटा? हाँ ऐसे कोशिश किया करो। यस कम ऑन आदित्य। यस आदित्य स्टार्ट करो।
Yes, sir. My name is Aditya, reading class 7th. My topic is my parents. My parents are the most important people in my life. My father name is Joginder, and he is a painter.
शाबाश शाबाश। हाँ
My mother name is Seema Devi, and she is a kind and kind homemaker. They both work hard to
बात नहीं,
make.
दे
So
बोथ।
they both work hard to make our family
शाबाश
happy.
वेरी गुड।
My father helps me with my studies,
हाँ हाँ यस।
and my mother takes care of
टेक्स कार नहीं,
everything,
टेक्स केयर।
takes care of everything in my house, in the house.
हाँ ठीक है, बोलो।
My parents love me very much, and I love Yeah, I also love them with all my heart. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. बहुत बढ़िया. Come on, Arushi.
Hello everyone, my name is Arushi Meena. I study in Draban Interactive Classes. Today's my topic last Sunday.
Okay.
Last Sunday was a very good. I woke up late in morning. Then I brushed my teeth and then I faced my wash. Then I took my breakfast. Then I play with my friends.
Played.
Then I came back to home. Then I took a bath. Then I go to the temple. Then I went to the
शाबाश.
temple
ऐसे ध्यान रखा करो. Very good. हाँ.
with my family. Then I came to home. Then I completed my school work.
Very good.
Then I rode my cycle.
अरे वाह, बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे कुछ को कहते हैं फोकस करना. बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है बेटा. शाबाश. यस. वेरी गुड. हाँ बेटा.
Then I back came to home. Then I watched TV.
अरे वाह, शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा फोकस है बेटा इस समय. ऐसा फोकस रहना चाहिए हमेशा. हाँ.
Then I took a dinner.
हाँ, वेरी गुड.
Then I prepare my bed.
अरे वाह, शाबाश. हाँ, बहुत अच्छा बेटा. वेरी गुड. हाँ.
Then I went to sleep. That's it.
शाबाश. ऐसे फोकस किया कर जैसा फोकस आज था तेरा, है ना. हाँ, ट्रेंड हो जाएगी बेटा बिल्कुल. यस. एंड नाउ हर्षित, you are most welcome. Harshit is the oldest
Yes, sir.
student,
Thank you, sir.
and I am very happy to see him here. So I think Harshit, you are in Jaipur.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Shabash beta. Come on.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening beta.
Sir, what is the topic today?
Vehicles, useful and harmful. The advantages and disadvantages of vehicles.
Okay, sir.
And time
So,
limit
hello.
is 2 minutes. Yes.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshad Moore, and today's my topic is vehicles. So, as we all know very well, that science has given us many things, and vehicle is one of them. And vehicles are both useful and harmful in our environment. If you will see from the perspective of the time management, then we may see that vehicles are very useful, because if you want to do time management, then vehicles are just like those things which teleport us, because it takes too short time for us to transport from one place to another. Like if we see in the past, it used to take many days to go to the home of our uncles or anyone else, but nowadays if we think just 1 hour before or just 1 minute before, we may go there with the help of vehicles. And vehicles have also improved our luxury life, our comfortable life, and made it easy to transport without any fatigue in our muscles. But there are disadvantages of vehicles too. And those disadvantages must be kept in mind before we talk about the vehicles, because nowadays we may see that the environment is getting too much harm because of the human activities, which also includes the vehicles, because of the particles that are exhausted by the vehicles, that hurts the environment and that makes us unfit, and also our environment unfit, because of that is causing the plants to die, and also the plants will affect the humans to die. So this may also lead to the end of an era. And vehicles nowadays we may see that there is jam too much, so there is the voice of no there is too much noise, which may cause the noise pollution and may hurt many people that are suffering from this problem. So keeping all these points in mind, we must understand that we must understand from both aspects that vehicles are both useful and harmful. That's it, sir.
Shabash beta, very exact, on exact time you finished. Very good, shabash. Yes, come on Anuj. And Kajal, Kalpana and Ronak. अब तो मैंने छूट दे दी आपको, कोई भी टॉपिक पे बोल लो, अब तो नाम लिख दो अपना, जल्दी करो बेटा, अपनी क्लास ओवर हो जाएगी. यस, कम ऑन अनुज.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anu, and today the topic is vehicles. So, basically, a vehicle is a machine that carries people from one place to another, or like drops them. So, it is one of the source of transportation, and there are different types of vehicles. Some are land vehicles, and some are air and water also. So so basically we are surrounded by land vehicles in our day-to-day life. Like whenever we get out of our houses, there are cars and bikes, bicycles, motorcycles, buses or trucks. So these all are the land vehicles. And vehicles also may be of different types. Some vehicles carry only people, but some are only made for carry goods. So and there are also air or water vehicles. So air vehicles, including airplanes, helicopters, etc., and water vehicles, including ships, boats, yachts, etc. So vehicles are not like vehicles are being developed. Vehicles are being transformated into EVs or electric vehicles, so that so that people can get rid of pollution, and they they may be harmed less than ever. So yeah, it must be used in limit, and we must promote, or we must use public transport rather than our personal vehicles. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. On right time, you completed. Very good. Come on, और कोई है?
Good evening, sir. My name is Ronak. I am a student of Ramban English Interactive Classes. Today, I am speaking about vehicles. There are many types of vehicles like auto, buses, train, aeroplane, etc.
शाबाश.
People
3 मिनट है,
use
आराम से बोलो. हाँ, बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत, डरा मत करो बेटा. हाँ.
people use them to traveler for schools, work, etc.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ.
Vehicle run on petrol
शाबाश, ऐसे. हाँ, बोलती जा बस, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी.
and increasing pollution. Nowadays, these days, electric vehicles are available.
Very good, शाबाश. ऐसे घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. बोल बेटा.
Electric vehicles are reducing pollution.
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश.
Vehicles saved our time
हाँ.
and effort. Electric vehicles are running everywhere. We should reduce the use of vehicles. vehicles increasing are increasing air pollution.
घबराओ मत, बस कोशिश करते रहो आप। हाँ, जैसा भी हो रहा है धीरे धीरे सब ठीक हो जाएगा, बोलते रहो।
That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं है, ये कोशिश ही करना होता है, डरना नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, समझ गए ना बेटा? डर जिस दिन निकल जाएगा उस दिन सब हो जाएगा अपने आप। वेरी गुड, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, ऑल इज वेल।